Hey guys, welcome to Dazzling Handmade, another video showing you my vintage sticker collection. Well, actually I have a lot of stickers and they're all in different categories. There's vintage, there's girls, animals, cats, flowers, floral, botanical, unicorn, and magic stuff. But this video is going to be on a couple of vintage stickers. I really like this because there's usually a bunch in one package, and most of the time when it's individual like this, there are duplicates, so each sticker has 2, 3, 4 pieces of the same picture, but sometimes it's just one sheet. Like this one has one sheet of each, and there's a couple of sheets in there. Okay, so from the first one, these are like little angels. So I'm just gonna put these over here, and feel free to pause at any time to look a little closer. Yeah, this is almost the same. Very nice coloring. Printing is good too. These two, and oh, there's a few more like it, are a little bit see-through, and then these ones over here are on the regular paper, sticker paper. Oh, here we have almost the same, a slightly different. So from what I'm seeing, all of these are individual, different ones. So there are no duplicate from what I can see. Angel. Oh, there's a duplicate. See? Well, at least we have one duplicate. Very, very beautiful. Great coloring too. So these are the same, but one is paper and the other one is slightly see-through. Oh, what's under? And this is a duplicate too, I think. We had this in the first one. We have a bird. And then we also have this one in sticker. Oh, okay, so I'm guessing there's one of each, one regular paper and then one see-through. There's this one from the first batch we put down, and then all of these are duplicates. That's nice. So you can, well, the good thing is that you have 2 of each sticker, and then one is paper, and the other one is kind of see-through vellum. So that's good. It's definitely worth the price. And I got most of these on Aliexpress, if you're curious. I don't remember which seller, so if you want to see which sellers I use, I put up a video showing you my go-to sellers. Alright, next one, and Sungdao, I think that's the Ali store. First one we have this, and this is actually a duplicate. I bought 2 of these because I used that in a vintage journal video. Flowers, very beautiful colors on that one. And all of this has really good quality printing. Look at that, beautiful. Colors are so vivid. Nice. A Germany license plate. It's a Porsche, Audi, Land Rover, America, Mercedes, Enzo Ferrari, and then we have, is this, yeah, this is sticker 2, the sentiment. So that came in one set. Alright, so this one has 40 pieces in it. Rhine leather. Paper sticker bag. That's how it's called. Paper sticker bag. And then the back, it shows what it has inside. Okay, so this was cut out a little badly, but you can also cut out the parts you don't want. A little postcard. Lots of little things, which are really, really good, I think. Receipt. Oh wow, there's so much stuff in here, and I don't think any of it is a duplicate. Yeah, like none of these are duplicates. All of these have a lot going on. My journey. Alright, let's see the rest. 40 pieces. I think it's like this. Letters. This is a painting of a woman looking through her dresses. Vitality shop. December. I mean, these are great. I will be happier if there were double duplicates of each, because sometimes I just feel like, oh, I could have used that in something better. But when you have duplicates, you're like, alright, that's fine. Postcard. See, I would want to use this in not just one page in the journal. Feel free to pause and take a closer look anytime. We got a poem, letter, another poem. Ooh, this looks like a journal page. Menu. Coffee. Alright, few bigger ones. But these are really cool. I do wish it was a little bit bigger, maybe that big, so it would take up more space on the journal. And the last few from this package. Think like this. Jar and this thing. Nice. Okay, for the last one for this video, we have this package, and ooh, look at that. Very, very nice presentation. It's locked in there, and I guess you have to rip it off whenever you're using it. So I'm gonna show you like this. Sticker book, Memories of Paris. Coffee. Just gonna flip through. Very beautiful drawings. So I see that most of these are cut out. Like you might be able to see the edge right here. But some of the parts like this is not cut out. But I would want to use that piece too, so it's something I'll have to cut out by hand. And this is really good. And also what I like about stickers, you don't have to color them, especially when you're stamping. I do like to stamp with multiple color, and it's just what I do is I try to dab it over like the edge where I want to use a different color and then do multiple colors in one stamping. But this way you don't have to color anything or worry about finding the perfect stamp and then coloring it. The arms of, what does it say? The arms of an angel. See, this is a sticker. It's cut out. See, it's cut out. And she is cut out too. However, this little flower on the edge is not cut out. But it's something I could use, so I can cut that out too. Oh, we got some baggage. Hotel Urme, Miami, Florida. How does that have to do with Paris? Is that Panem? Looks like a Panem outfit. Coca-Cola. We got a postcard. Oh, a few more pages. Oh, this is nice. This is one whole sticker. Donna's Sarsaparilla. One whole sticker. A few more. And then there was the last one. There's a lot in here. It's a very thick package. This was really good. I really like this. There's a lot of variety. So yeah, that was it for this video. Let me know what was your favorite. Do you guys like these sticker showing videos? If yes, there is a playlist for them. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic rest of the day.